5 years ago, I made this video rig to start shooting my YouTube videos, and I have used it ever since. If you are looking for a cheap functional design, I would highly recommend it since it quickly allows for a full range of shots and motions. However, after 5 years of use, there are some things that have started deteriorating and that would need a little TLC. Number 1. The joints are getting slightly loose. Number 2. The color has faded away.
Do we really care?
Number 3. The holder for the mini tripod is breaking in pieces. Number 4, and more serious, is that, after 5 years, the thread on the mini tripod has been completely stripped away by the regular mounting and unmounting of the camera. So, and that is my main lesson learned going forward, never buy any tripod with plastic threaded screw mount. Those will ultimately let you down. Number 5. I have added the wheels to the video rig in a first upgrade, and although I have rarely used the dolly function, the additions of horizontal support has given the rig lot more side-to-side stability. There is however still a chance for the device to trip over when fully extended. I thought about adding permanent weights to the foot, but that only makes the whole thing overall more cumbersome to handle. An easy fix is simply for now to add an optional weight as needed, here a piece of an I-beam I often use as a small anvil. I do have an idea to make something more versatile that can act both as a weight and as a brake for the wheels, but that will be subject to another video. Finally, to thank the folks that have made it that far into the video, a small feel-good token of my appreciation because, we, at the lay bottom we just love cuteness.